Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, though the drone master DJI is still silent on the launch date of the Mavic 4 Pro, which is currently the talk of the town, but thanks to a big new leak, we now finally have the best look at this yet to be launched high-end drone. So yeah, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro will feature a new look compared to the Mavic 3 Pro. And I would say it looks more incredible now. The design seems more aerodynamic with thinner arms, a triple camera setup and majorly redesigned gimbal. As we can see and also revealed by a leaked real-life image, the Mavic 4 Pro has two obstacle avoidance sensors on the top side alongside an LED beacon, which is good for navigation during night flights. Further, there will be another sensor for the obstacle avoidance, a LiDAR sensor on the right arm right below the propeller. Now, fortunately, the tipster also shared the images of the combos, revealing what we will get with each. So, both combos will contain 3 batteries, a charging hub, extra propeller, a controller, a carrying bag and some cables. And most likely, the charging hub will be able to charge 3 batteries simultaneously, just like we saw on the DJI Air 3. However, it appears the major difference between these combos that the creator combo will get the new RC Pro 2 controller. As per the leaked images, this new controller will have a folding design with a 7-inch screen. So when you want to use it, you can extend up the screen and can fold it back for easy storage. Like the Mavic 3 Pro combos, seems like the Mavic 4 Pro combos will also miss the ND filters. Now specs wise, the Mavic 4 Pro is said to have a bigger sensor than its predecessor. The 3 camera lenses will offer 28, 70 and 168mm focal lengths. And the user will be able to record up to 6K resolution videos. Now, on the pricing side, luckily we also have some insights. So, as per a leak, the Mavic 4 Pro standard combo, which will include the Mavic 4 Pro with RC2 controller, will cost $2250. To recall, the Mavic 3 Pro was shipped with the original RC controller tagged with $2199. The Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo at $3200 and the creator combo is likely to get a tag of $4440. Anyway, DJI is yet to announce the launch date of this highly anticipated consumer drone. Of course, I will keep you updated as soon as there are any more details, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.